guys, well, I think it's been like, I don't know, a month since I've had this Pixel 4a, and I finally got this stupid cable from a friend, and I can't tell you where, but basically official Google provider gave me this because I couldn't find it. And to come to find out, they're now stocking these as PowerFlex cables or something like that on eBay. Anyway, so I already went ahead and replaced that, and I turned it on, and this water damage Pixel 4a is working beautifully. I'm gonna do a full test of it here shortly, but basically all I need to do is clip it in, and then the customer's gonna be picking it up today. He's super happy. He's been wanting it fixed, and I'm just glad I'm able to get it fixed for him. But overall, the level of difficulty of this repair is pretty hard in my opinion. One of the more harder ones, just because you have to get things just right. The cable and all that, just a big hassle. Then we just got to clean off all this old adhesive and then re-glue everything down. Okay, now we're going to take some T7000 and put it along the sides here. The frame's broken off a little bit. Not much you can really do about it unless you know where to buy some. I really don't want to mess with this phone any more than I have to. Come on, give me some room. Ooh, screen looks a little cloudy. Gotta double check that camera lens. I'm sure I didn't mess up anything. Yep, looks fine. Okay, tape that down, put it under some pressure. I like using packing tape, it works really good. Oh, there they are. Use a microfiber rag or whatever you got, and some alcohol. That'll work good. Customer is going to be thrilled, because I certainly am. That's it. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this 3-part series of fixing Google Pixel 4a. What a nightmare. If you need to send it in, I'll be glad to take care of you. Thank you. Links in the description for other parts. Please like and subscribe.